Hey everyone, welcome back to BIODECODE Fitness. If you're training hard in the gym but not seeing the muscle growth you expect, the problem might not be your workout. It could be your sleep or your nutrition. Today, we're breaking down how sleep and food actually affect muscle growth, explained simply and backed by science. When you train, especially with weights, you create tiny tears in your muscle fibers. This sounds bad, but it's actually how muscles grow. Your body repairs these fibers and makes them thicker and stronger. But this repair doesn't happen while you're lifting weights. It happens later, when your body has enough rest and nutrients. Without proper sleep and nutrition, those muscle fibers don't rebuild properly, which means slower progress or no growth at all. Sleep is when your body does most of its recovery work. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which plays a key role in muscle repair and growth. If you're sleeping less than 6 hours regularly, this hormone release drops significantly. Lack of sleep also increases cortisol, a stress hormone that can actually break down muscle tissue. In simple terms, poor sleep can cancel out the benefits of your workouts. For most adults, especially active people, 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep is ideal for muscle growth. Nutrition provides the building blocks your muscles need to grow. Protein is the most important, as it supplies amino acids that repair muscle fibers. Foods like chicken, eggs, fish, dairy, beans, and lentils are excellent sources. Carbohydrates are also important because they replenish energy stores and help your body use protein more effectively. Healthy fats support hormone production, including hormones linked to muscle growth. If your diet is unbalanced or too low in calories, your body simply won't have the resources it needs to build muscle. When you eat and sleep also matters. Eating a balanced meal with protein and carbs after training helps kickstart muscle repair, while having some protein before bed can support overnight recovery. Consistent sleep times help regulate hormones and make recovery more efficient. Skipping meals or staying up late regularly can disrupt this process, even if your workouts are on point. So if you want real muscle growth, remember this: training is only part of the equation. Sleep and nutrition do the real work behind the scenes. Prioritize good sleep, eat balanced meals, and give your body time to recover. If you found this helpful, give the video a like. Subscribe to BIODECODE Fitness, and let me know in the comments how many hours you usually sleep. Until next time, train smart and recover smarter.